Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Renato and Matthew, and we do travel vlog around the world, and we love travel, but this video today is a little different, right Matt?
Different for us. So if you saw our last video, you will know that we bought our dream condo by the beach here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, which is where I grew up.
Exactly.
Which is where we are now living, but it needed a little bit of love. So we're excited to show you the progress that we have made and the progress that we hope to make, so that when you see it all done, you will see the vision come together, because you can imagine what it used to look like, which is what we're gonna show you right now. So yeah. Should we get started?
Yeah, right? Let's go.
Let's do it.
We're gonna start here. Guest bedroom.
That's it.
Oh, look at this.
Just excuse the wiring. So this is going to be our beautiful shower here.
Right here.
Which we're going to have absolutely continuous tile and a shower niche. Yeah. Tell us in the comments. Where we can put 17 bottles of shampoo, of course. And then here we're going to have custom vanities made. We're going to have two beautiful sconce lightings. All about the sconce. And big black framed mirrors. And then just beautiful tiles, quartz countertops. So yeah, it's not quite there yet, but we hope it'll be here soon.
And here we have the guest room.
We're trying paint samples, of course, 7 different shades of gray, not quite 50 shades of gray. There will be no S&M in the filming of this video for the apartment, but we have 7 shades here, and we bought more because we can't quite decide which gray is perfect, but that's part of the process. So
okay, look at this view. Wow, amazing. Okay, let's keep going.
Let's go to the kitchen, no?
Wow, the kitchen, you guys remember, this all closed, right? Exactly. And dark and old things. Now we put everything down.
Exactly, everything has been taken down, and if you can imagine it, this is going to be a washer and dryer over here, a beautiful refrigerator. I mean, can't you just see it? Can I give you some milk? And then here, obviously, at some point, a sink. But for right now, just open. Right, so if this is going to be the cabinetry here, and a beautiful white and gold backsplash. Woo! I know you can't see it, and I almost can't myself, but we're hoping that it comes together the way that we've envisioned it. And then here, a beautiful countertop island, and we have pendant lighting that's going to be coming down here, which we're super excited about. Lots of white, lots of gold and brass.
Yeah.
And yeah, so all the electrical is being put in, so we're super excited about that. And part of this whole process has been like everything, you know, from moving the oven to designing with our contractor.
And we have a big problem here with us. Like, what are we gonna do here?
Yeah, because there was no outdoor exhaust, we're not quite sure what's going to happen when we're cooking. So
exactly. Maybe open the door.
Either open the door or get some kind of fan, so that our beautiful lighting is not like full of grease and stuff. But we will figure that out. And for now, let's keep going.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go for the next room. Don't you love the beautiful bar we have here?
Exactly. Quartz countertops. Solid silver legs. Anyways, this is going, in seriousness, this is going to be a bar with a wine fridge and some beautiful shelving, we hope. And then
a lot of drinks.
Yeah, this will be our dining room table with a gold, brass, something chandelier of different spheres that are coming down. So it's all coming together, albeit slower than we want, but and then of course the beautiful view that sold us on this condo to begin with. And we moved our bedroom door here.
As you guys remember, that door, this door was here in a previous video, and we took it out and put it here and make much space in our room.
Yes.
Right? Now we can put the TV here and
have a continuous wall here And from our bed, which will be right here, kick up your feet. There we go. Okay, let's not.
Oh, don't hurt yourself.
We get more of a view of the beautiful ocean that's right here.
Yeah.
So we're super excited. And then over here, you can see our beautiful kitchen backsplash.
Oh, love.
That's gonna go where I told you before. So we're super excited about that. We are a long ways off from that still, but quite possibly our most exciting and challenging piece to date was our contractor had to work really hard to put this pocket door in here. Now come see our beautiful master bathroom.
Wow, what do you have here now?
I'll tell you what we've got. An absolutely gorgeous.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Oh my God, look at the stonework on that old insulation. But in seriousness, this is going to be our master shower. Master bath shower. There it is. And then if you can picture it,
this is all floors.
This is our flooring, and this is our tile that will be on this wall soon enough. And then here we're going to be having 2 mirrors. There it goes. 1 mirror here with sconce lighting, and then subway tile doing a really cool pattern behind it. And then gray vanity and gold for days, because we love
gold.
Gold
Or black.
Gold or
gold,
brass.
yeah,
Gold
gold
here,
or,
yeah. So, and then, yeah, that's it for our master bath. And then a linen closet in this corner. So that's the grand tour of the estate, formerly known as our 2-2 condo. All right, guys, so that's what 2 months of progress looks like on our apartment so far.
And yeah, please stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna show you guys what progress we made, and you can help us, right, man?
Exactly. Please leave decor and decorating advice in the comments.
Exactly.
More options for gray.
Any ideas are gonna be appreciated.
Exactly. And if you want to see the progress once the bathrooms and the kitchen start to go in, please tune in for the next video. Like, share, subscribe. This is our home base when we're not traveling the world, and we'd love to invite you in to the process of building this dream home with us. So,
Exactly. Subscribe and share with your friends.
yes.
Thank you for watching.
Exactly. See you in the next video.
Bye bye.